Hello everyone, today I'm going to show where to find the chainsaw in a typical neighborhood. There are two places to get this. I will first show you the simple way, and the hard way. First, to get it the simple way, go to where I go and just grab it. For me, it didn't spawn yet, but it's right here. And then the hard way, you have to go to the abandoned mansion. If you're wondering where it is, it's at the forest, then follow my steps. Now, get the key and then go to the side of the house where you'll find the chainsaw in the basement. Now go grab it. You can also find a bone saw and some money. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, sub, and see you next time.